Yo, what's good? Welcome to another video. If we haven't met yet, my name is Ted and I talk bass. Man, I want to talk about the simplicity in the lock of this groove right here. You may recognize as Close the Door by Teddy Pendergrass. Some of these OGs, of which I am one, alas, didn't think we'd get here, but here we are. We call this It's what we call this. Can't believe I said that on YouTube. Listen, I just want to take a listen to the drums real quick. Just the drums. Yes, I'm using Songmaster Pro, link in the bio. You already know. Check out these drums, man. Let me tell you something. You want to get better at playing the bass? I'm not saying that you have to learn how to play drums, but understand how the drums work. That is so Loctite, so simple. Let's break it down into 2-bar sections, right? Here's just 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Bop, bop, bop. Or actually, bop, 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 bop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty much the whole groove for the whole 8-bar section until the zaga-daga-dak-dak, that fill on the snare. Let me tell you these notes. F, G, C, E flat. Once again, F, F, G, C, E flat. Peep this. Just with the drums, I'm not going to put any. Let's listen to the drums one more time. He's not even putting any ghost notes on. I want to listen to the whole 8-bar thing. All right, so here's from the top of that section. Adds a little bit more movement on the, towards measure 7 and 8 because it's about to turn around, right? But other than that, the kick drum is just 1, 2. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. E flat. Now I'm going to go to C. Now I'm just keeping it real simple and just playing with that groove. Now, what happens when we add some ghost notes in there? It gets a little sexier. As my man Q out in Bangkok would say, sexy, bruv. Listen, check it out. That's just a lock, man. Learn what the drums, get an idea of how the drums work, And when you're listening, learn how to pick out that kick drum pattern, right? If you're interested in learning how to play songs by ear, I got an ebook, $7. Ain't gonna break the bank. It's in the description below. Also, I just started my own thing over at Teachable where I can have a little bit more freedom in how I go about teaching tutorials, a little longer form. We can listen to more of the actual song without the copyright gods coming down and doing like that on us. So that is at bluecollarbass.com. Link also below. Super affordable. It's me and you kicking it. Listen how those drums work. Listen how the bass interacts with the drums. Change your life. Peace. 2 fingers.